Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a cultured marble corner shelf. First thing I like to do is draw a level line on the wall. You can use the valve to set one side of your level on. Make sure that your level is nice and level and the bubble is perfectly in the middle. Then take a pencil and draw a line on the wall. Now put your level on the other wall and line up the right side of your level with the line on the other panel. Make sure that the level is perfectly level. Use your pencil and draw another line. Now you have your line on the wall. Then you can take your cultured marble shelf, put it in the corner of the two panels. Make sure that the corner shelf is tight against the wall on each side. If it's not, you can take a carpenter's pencil and run it along the side to scribe it to the wall. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a hot glue gun and glue this up with hot glue. Be right back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my hot glue gun and I'm going to run a bead of hot glue on each side of the cultured marble shelf. Just like so. Then take the shelf and line it up perfectly with the lines you previously drew on the wall. Hold it in place for about 30 seconds. Now you should be able to let it go. Underneath the shelf, you might see some of the hot glue is kind of dripping down. What I like to do is take a putty knife and gently scrape along. Go one way, then go the other way. That'll pull the hot glue right off the wall. Then do the other side. There. Now all we need to do is we're going to use silicone and we're going to run a bead underneath the bottom on each side and around the top on each side. Now we're on the last step of adding the corner shelf to the shower. So I got my silicone and I'm ready to silicone it in. I'm in the middle of caulking in this shower, so I still need to run this bead and this bead as well, but I'm going to include that while I'm showing you how to caulk in the corner shelf. So I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer here. We're going to take the silicone and we're going to run the bead underneath this side and this side. Then I'm going to do the top. This is what it should look like. Now I'm going to take my spray water. This solution is Dawn dish soap diluted with water. I'm going to spray the area. Now be careful not to spray any of this dish soap solution in an area where you haven't ran the silicone first. Now just wipe it off nice and easily. You can use an empty tube or a rag. And now we're going to do the top. All right, and there you have it. If you guys have any questions or comments that you'd like to add, please leave them below. I try to respond to any comments that I see. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Aaron's Marble Works.